Hello, I've heard there's a nonce in here.
Yo boys, welcome back. This is day 11 of getting max allocation on Top Step. We're literally 2 to 3 days away from acquiring max allocation, meaning 5 50k funded accounts where we're able to take some fat fucking payouts, you know. But yo boys, before we get into today's video, I want every single one of you to follow me on Instagram. I post all my results on my story every single day as soon as I trade, so you find out before I post these videos where we're at. And I post my London session, Asia session, all that shit. Join the Instagram breakout room where I'll be posting all my thoughts and insight and what I'm up to during the week that you don't see behind the scenes. But yo boys, this is a banger of a video. Let's get into it. Right then boys, it's fucking Billy Big Bollocks. I'm here to take a trade today. Right yo boys, so today is a bank holiday. Do I give a fuck? Zero. I've back tested. I've back tested bank holidays and they're more profitable than not. Got a video coming out on that soon. Anyway, right, so yesterday's trade, beautiful. So this week so far we're up 2R, meaning we can afford to lose 2 days in a row to break even, which is nice, which is good. Right, today, as market opens in what fucking 40 seconds, we'll be marking out our support and resistance. So straight away I can see we've got a trend going on. Straight away I can see we've got support going on. I almost kind of want to maybe take, these are our levels. Alright. Yeah, weird one. We'll see how this shit reacts. We potentially, see how wide and far away that is. 20 points. We'll see what we'll see. It's like a bit of a bear flag, so it is obviously in a downwards trend. We've been going up though, so we're pretty bullish. We'll see. I'm not going to rush into anything. It's Veterans Day in America today as well, so hold tight, all the fucking man them. See if we get any movement in here. Just going to pull up. No way US 30 just shot off like that. There's no way. What's that stop's gonna be? Yeah, might, okay. So that's a nice retrace I'm seeing. Push. Lovely retrace. Yeah, nice. So if we come back up now, that'd be a nice entry because we've pushed, retraced. So like, what's the odds of it like coming all the way back up to come all the way back down again? Do you know what I mean? So we shall see. Fucking hell. US 30 is pushed up big. Gold dropping. See how this goes. Just sit here and chill for a bit. But yo boys, in the meantime, I'm going to be trading London session. Oh shit. If we can break above this wick here, we may take a buy, push.
Order filled.
I'm going to have to out with that. That was a push for sure. Right, mark out the fib. If you do want these fibs, they are in my free Discord, so jump in the free Discord under free trading packs. Get in that bitch. What I'm looking for now is some sort of, wicks on this 1 minute to show that we are finding support and we can potentially push up. If not, then we're probably toast, but that is a wick out so far. But yeah. Fucking hurry up, mate. I can't be here all day. That was very, very, very aggressively pushing back down. That is a very, very aggressive push back down. I don't even know if I want to hold this full stop loss, to be honest. Have we just been fucking bummed? Well, we just got rassed. We just got absolutely fucking bummed. Imagine it comes all the way back up now. What the fuck happened there? Gold's dropping. This should be a good sign for... Wow, US 30 did the same. Wow. What? What the fuck's going on, bruv? Five-minute close. Horrible! If this shoots up now, though... I mean, that'd be good. But it's struggling with this resistance. See this trend line? Struggling. It's not finding its way past. Look at that wick out. What is going on, bruv? We're going to push. The way gold's dropping right now and has just dropped is usually an indication that we're going up on the Nasdaq. Usually. I do find some sort of confluence within that. But, yeah. Fuck knows, bruv. I feel like the 15's a little bit more calming to watch, if I'm honest with you. So I'm going to watch that instead. Whoa! The fuck just happened then? That was nice. Let's see if we can break past. See if we can break past here. Oh, straight away. Pushing with volume now, bruv. Bruv. Is that it? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on?
Order
I'm
filled.
closing that early. Fuck that with toast. There's no point. I'm not taking a full loss on that shit. With a wick that big. Fuck that. See the size of that wick? Why am I even going to stay in that? If he wants to come back up, fucking so be it, but... Hold on.
Most times when I see you, not most, actually all the time when I see you, when you're naked, I get these urges. I would like to peg you.
Pegging. Anal sex with a strap-on dildo. Bruv, if my team came up to me on... Bruv, this channel has... This channel has 12.3 million subscribers, you know. 2.5 million views. And if my team came on to tell me that she wants to peg me, I'd slap the bitch. I would be like, yo, bitch, quit talking. Quit talking. Stop. Fucking, in the name of plot, fucking stop. Wow. Did you just see that? Wick? That was mad. Well, I'm glad I got out of that, so... I'm done with that. Fuck these markets today, bro. There is the L. But why does it not matter, though? Why does it not matter? Because yesterday we made 600 and today we lost 100. So my wins are way bigger than my losses. Even now that I've lowered my risk, like you can see, like the equivalent is just like, yeah. So we're all good in the hood there. So here's the thing, right, as well. Like old me right now will be sat here being like, oh shit, I got out early.
I need to wait, and I need to make another entry. I need to make another fucking. I need to get in. I need an entry. I need a fucking entry, boss. I need to get a fucking entry, boss. Do you know what I mean? I need a fucking entry.
But the new and improved version of me, who's now passing prop firms accounts and taking payouts, will soon to be taking fucking fat silly payouts and splashing on fucking jizz. That trader version of me, he's not giving a fuck. And you know what? That's actually what I'm going to do, just to double check and double down me what I fucking say. Setting a lockout. Boom. I am done for the day. One trade, baby. Once you get to 2,000, this shit stops following you. So if I had 5k in the account and this is still at 0, I can start upping my risk and taking fat big payouts. So that's a positive. So now with the risk I'm using, 250, right? 250, right? So check it. Let's do the maths. I'm going to take my account balance, 2,234. 2,234 divided by $250 equals, bro, 8.9. I would have to lose 9 times in a row. 8 to 9 times in a fucking row to blow this account, to lose all this dough at this risk. Even I'm sat watching that and I'm like, am I a pussy? Oh, it's a bit sus if you ask me. But the big but here, right? The big but, and the reason why my risk management and the amount of risk will change eventually is simply just because I need to take that first big payout and make an ROI on my account without blowing it. And the safest way to do that is just to risk how I am currently risking. Now, when I take that 4 or 5k payout and buy the other accounts, and then I will take another payout of, let's say, fucking $10,000, $7,500 to $10,000, then I'll begin to up my risk, because then I have a backlog of capital where then it's like I'm not as afraid to blow the accounts. Now with prop firms, people treat prop firms like a fucking baby, and the ones that I see winning with prop firms are the ones that use a prop firm like the fucking Jeet Bonnie Blue, bro. They're in and out, slapping their cheeks in the fucking mooch and just fucking dusted, bro. Like whether they blow chunks or not, they're in and they're out. You get me? And then they just go find the next thing. Like that's how I'm gonna treat a prop firm, innit? A fucking sluzzer, straight up fucking jezwa. Yeah, fucking a weird analogy, but you'll remember it. And so like for those that are saying, oh, you don't want to lose your accounts or blow your accounts, right now I don't. But when I've got fucking a few racks in capital, I'm not really gonna give a fuck. Why does it keep doing this? Why does it keep doing this? Yeah, so I did avoid a full loss today. I mean, if price is gonna come up that much and wick about, I ain't trying to. Why lose a full? Do you know what I mean? I made my fucking stop loss bigger than it needs to be anyway, just for precaution, right? Yeah, mad. So this is why I just take one trade a day, boys. The re-entry would have had you fucking bummed as well. So the re-entry there was a loss. But if we take it back to last week, your re-entries were winners. Big winners as well. So first trade, loss. Re-entry, a win. Right? 1 to 2. Fucking 1 to 3 even, potentially. Again, so you'd be 2R up on that re-entry, right? This L, boom, L. Re-entry, I mean, it hit a 1 to 5, but if we're only collecting 1 to 2s, we're still up. So we'd be up 4R in the past 2 re-entries of last week. Now today we'd have lost 1R because that was a losing re-entry. What the fuck is going on? Bro, this candle just wicked out and wicked up 67 points just like that. In this kind of range, mental. But yeah, the range today was been losing. So like I say, I'm back testing the re-entries at the minute. And I'm seeing, like, does it make sense to create re-entries or just stick to my one trade? Because right now, the one trade for me has just changed everything, right? But so far, in the past 3 re-entries, we would be down today, but we would be up overall 3R. Like, do you know what I mean? So, like, overall, the re-entries are net positive. But, and a big but, I don't have enough data. 3 trades is not enough data. And I feel like the re-entries is something that I want to more so forward test rather than back test, because in real-time data, the way you trade compared to a back test is way different to where you trade like in real shit. Do you know what I'm saying? You know what, boys? One thing I'm going to start doing, right, is on my Instagram, as you can see here, this is my Instagram breakout channel room, right? I'm just going to start posting my trade updates in here every day, straight away like that. And you'll know the result of my trade before the YouTube videos, before watching this shit, as well as I put it on my Instagram story. So, yeah, just posted that up. Jump in that bitch. Took a tiny loss on NASDAQ today. Keep it rolling for the rest of the week. I'm going to post that now. Boom. So if you want to jump in there, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Get in the fucking live room. Get in the Instagram room. Boom. All going to be there. Posting the polls every day. Posting shit, payouts. I'm getting payouts. Sewing all this shit. Boom. Polls and shit. Come on. If there was any winner today, probably US 30. But I'm not trading US 30. But so yeah, boys, we're still taking a bag out of these accounts either way. Easy, you know what I mean? It fucking is what it is. Minor. We barely lost today. It is what it is. Come back stronger tomorrow, and we'll be all good. Peace. I want every single one of you to follow me on Instagram. I post all my results on my story every single day as soon as I trade, so you find out before I post these videos where we're at. And I post my London session, Asia session, all that shit. Join the Instagram breakout room where I'll be posting all my thoughts and insight and what I'm up to during the week that you don't see behind the scenes. But yo, boys, this is a banger of a video. Let's get into it.